Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Jackie Nicole. If this is your first time seeing this lovely face, you can go ahead and get comfortable. If you are returning, I appreciate you for coming back. I'm a mompreneur of 5, and I love to incorporate things that make my life easier. And today I'm going to teach you how to effectively grocery shop. Yes, I said effectively grocery shop because not all people know how to shop. And you'll realize that as you watch this video. So you'll save time and money, and your days will go much smoother in doing so. So you can spend time on things that matter and actually live. Okay, the first thing is going to be to, if you have a pantry, wherever you store your goods or whatnot, you want to scan your pantry. And when I say scan your pantry, as you see me doing now, I'm looking at what I have in there, and I'm writing it down so I can make meals according to what I already have in the pantry to get rid of it so it will not sit in the pantry for months. And while I'm in there, we have a list that's on the side of the refrigerator. So when they run out of things, so we don't end up going through the process of, oh, why didn't you tell me we were out of this? And why didn't you tell me we were out of that? When I go to the store, I won't forget to get something because, if it didn't run out with me, then how am I supposed to know that it ran out? So they'll just put what ran out, and I know to check that list and add it to my actual list so I can make sure I get it. And I'll go and, look in the pantry to see what's low. Because other than milk, milk, I'm not going to buy 2-3 things of milk because those are kind of big, and no, we're not doing that. But as things like taco seasonings, ketchup, stuff like that, I like to buy 2-3 bottles, because I don't like to completely run out. So when I look in the closet, I can see that, okay, something is getting low, and I can put that on the list. And that brings us to number 2, where we are writing out our meals. Breaking it down. So if I'm going to have corn dogs, beans, and fries, I'm going to write that on the back of the paper, which is going to be my list. And I'm going to write corn, beans. What am I talking about? I'm going to write corn dog, beans, and fries. Now, if I'm having something like spaghetti, and I need spaghetti sauce, noodles, and if you want to use fresh thyme, and all of that, oregano, if you want to use those things, then that is where you will break down everything. Yes, I said everything that you need in that recipe as far as ingredients, because each ingredient counts when you're doing a specific meal. So if you need more salt, more sugar, more anything, because people, when they're doing recipes, most of the time they don't think about the small things like that they need in a recipe until they start making the recipe, and it's like, oh, I don't have any cloves or something like that. But if you write down and write out, like really break down your recipes, then you will always have the ingredients that you need because you just wrote it down. And before you go, you're going to effectively look and put eyes on the item before you go to the store, which brings us to number 3, which is putting eyes on the product. So when you put eyes on the product, you're going to physically go to your kitchen and see what you have on that list and what you need for your recipes, and touch or see those items so you have them. So you're not at the store, once again, saying, okay, did I have enough milk? You already know what you have. Now, if you have someone at home that you can call and go and run and look, then okay, kudos to you. But it's much more easier if you check before you go to the store to see if you have these items. And now we're at number 4. Go and shop and get those items. Now, if I go and get those items, it is always okay to get anything else that you may see and say, okay, you know what, I want to get some more of that. But you can add to, but you cannot take away. You're going to need everything on that list that you made up and did all of that work for, to make sure that you are effectively shopping and you have your meal for the week, for the month, however you shop. You don't have to go back to the store to get some small thing or ingredient because you didn't check before you went to the store to shop. Now keep in mind when I said, okay, when you go over the list, if you already have it in the kitchen, then okay, scratch through it, and that's just one less item that you have to buy.
I'm about to get beat up, y'all.
Okay, so the benefits of I just I just cut it on. The benefits of actually effectively shopping is, of course, okay, your day goes much smoother when you know what's on the agenda and what you have to do as far as okay cooking. You know what the meal is, so you don't have to be busy and then you get home. See, you can use this. You don't have to be a mompreneur. You can be a regular person. You don't have to have kids. It's just all about you can take this and use it to see fit to your schedule and your lifestyle. But it will definitely make your days go by smoother when you know what you're cooking and you already have everything at home. You know, how mom used to say, you got food at home. When you have everything already at home, because why? You effectively shopped and you know it's there for the next meal that you're going to cook. And you don't have to, you know, brace yourself for changing your meal at the next last minute because, okay, you didn't have an ingredient. And now you're saving money because you are not buying random items in the store because you don't really know what to get, or you see, okay, things on the aisle. Oh, let me try this or whatever. You'll pretty much be focused on the list that you have. Like I said again, if you would like to get things that are not on the list, then that's fine because you can add to, but you cannot take away. But if you're going by the list, you are not buying random items and spending unnecessary money that you didn't plan on going to spend in the store anyway. And you're not buying items that are going to sit in the pantry. And you're not spending unnecessary money because you're getting items that you planned on getting anyway. I always like to say I bargain shop on things that I need so I can spend money on what I want. Okay, because what you need 9 out of 10 times is going to have a coupon, or you can do some kind of deal in some kind of way because the manufacturers of those items, they want you to shop, so they're going to try to get you in there with a coupon advertisement and whatnot. Most of the time things that you want are not going to be on sale. It's really not going to be on sale because wants are different than needs, and they know that. You don't have to have that, you know, jacket that you've been looking at for 3 months. So 9 out of 10 times it's not going to go on sale. But okay, and you're not going to have a coupon for, you know, that item. But things that you need as far as food, household goods, and everything that you're getting while you're at the grocery store, 9 out of 10 times you're going to find a coupon for it. Now, me, on the other hand, we're pescatarian, so we don't eat a lot of things and a lot of the items like that. You're not going to find a coupon for. That's just how it goes. But regular stuff that you can find a coupon for. And I know this because not so much now, but I used to be an extreme couponer. Yes, I know how to coupon. Stockpile coupon. But if you're ready to learn how to coupon, it won't be on this channel because, baby, I ain't got time. Well, I got time, but no, that is not, I'm not into, okay, teaching how to coupon. Okay, and that's all you need to do to effectively grocery shop. It may sound like a lot, but trust me, you taking the time to do all of this will save you so much time throughout the week of, will save you time and headache. So if you learn anything from this video or you like this video, please give me a like so it will push the video so other people like you can get a chance to see this too. And if you enjoy this method and you think you're going to try this method out, please come back and let me know how you like it. So until next time, be you, because only you can do it best, and just live, because that's the message.